Nzama ya vamwe ya Uneenan'Ya wa Bomas wa Ulei na Silikali kwi umunthi niyathokya syikaloni syake timu ya kiuvundi ya amemba nyaanya kuma kila, ngaliko. Anene ma timu nthini wa Uneenan'Ya Dr. Kalonzo Musyoka na Kimani Ichungw'a nimaweta timu sya kiuvundi nisyo syialanya mesani mitalatala ya Uneenan'Ya mutheu na uatiiye miao undu umwe na kukwatiania yulu wa syindu sya vata ila syaile kuneenaniwa nthini wa syikalo sya Bomas na otondu Benjamin Mwaka ukulivoti ni kana Uneenan'Ya ukaendea ingi wa kwambililia ukite matuku miongo ili na imwe mwai wa nyaanya.
Kwa muthenya wa keli kiatianio hitino Nzama vamwe Uneenan'Ya wa Raila Odinga na President William Ruto kumbana vaina utheu kugonya hitue sya vata Uneenan'Ya mesani ino umunthi Nzama syake kiuvundi ngaliko syeli sinengwa kiwanza kwa mbisyo thukumi.
And this is a team that will be backing us up in the dialogue team. We shall be briefing them as much as we have individually briefed our teams. We now want to brief them on what our expectations as a team are to help us realize the objectives that we have out of this dialogue team in the quickest time possible.
Ngaliko yisieli chuma kivetie ni inatangazia amemba kuma kila, ngaliko kutetheesya Nzama yulwa mitalatala ila ya ile kuatiwa kulungalia Uneenan'Ya uno. Ngaliko ole Uneenan'Ya niwo itongoiwe ni ndongo ya Wiper Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka na ngaliko ya Silikali itongoiwe ni muyumbi wake kuyo ndongo yale ingi mbungeni Kimani Ichungw'a.
As far as Azimio la Umoja One Kenya is concerned, our teams have been ready, but I think that our friends are also now ready, and we want them to engage so that they can look. As you remember, both sides had their set of agendas, and it's important they get synchronized, and that we leave to the technical team to be able to provide the way forward. Once that is agreed, I think we'll be on our way.
Uneenan'Ya uyoke vindani muvwavwano kunyanzela utona kosa uende na kuongeleka unitino wa ndongo yole Raila Odinga kwiyo kukomana na kutwaisya umbano na Senator wa Delaware kwa America Chris Coons. Senator lo kwikwatiya wa kukomana na President William Ruto kwi umunthi ngaliko ole yethitwe ivingilila mausungi o Uneenan'Ya vainzi onemwe kwa usukumisya medhwe na kielelo cha kuete ngethia handshake.
We have also indicated that we are here to engage in good faith, in line with our laws and our constitution, and we want to believe we are all here in the interest of the Kenyan people and the Kenyan state. And therefore, we shall be engaging in that dialogue process, which now formally begins because we have now the two technical teams from both sides formally constituted.
Nzama inakumania kwa ivindambe chuma kivetu na ngaliko syeli syaiwa na kukalila weweno noka na kuminukilia syikalo syake nthini wa ilungu hitethya samuno.
We have a secretariat that as we agreed last week, myself and the leader of minority in the National Assembly were to engage with both speakers of the House. We have engaged with them and they have been gracious enough to grant us a secretariat that will be helping us in putting together whatever we need throughout this engagement.
Vilingwa mavoku mavamu siyo nilovi, nito Benjamin Mwaka.